Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered just how vast the universe truly is? It's a thought that has likely crossed your mind on a clear, starry night. It is an idea that has sparked curiosity and fueled exploration throughout human history. Imagine standing on a beach, looking out at the ocean. The water stretches out as far as the eye can see, disappearing over the horizon. That's how our ancestors must have felt, looking up at the sky, contemplating the vastness of the universe. It's an enormous concept to grasp, even for the most brilliant minds. The universe, as we understand it, is unfathomably large. It's so large, in fact, that we can't measure it in miles, kilometers, or even the distance from the Earth to the Sun. Instead, we have to use a unit of measurement that's based on the speed of light itself. But what does that mean? How can we even begin to comprehend the sheer scale of the cosmos? It's like trying to imagine a number so large that it doesn't even have a name. It's mind-boggling, awe-inspiring, and a little intimidating, yet it's also fascinating. The size of the universe is a mystery that scientists are still trying to unravel. They're using advanced telescopes and cutting-edge technology to peer into the farthest reaches of space, hoping to catch a glimpse of the universe's outer edges. But even with all this technology, we're still just scratching the surface. The universe is so vast, so expansive, that we may never be able to fully grasp its size. It's like an endless ocean, a boundless sky, a limitless expanse of stars and galaxies. This question, how big is the universe, is a reminder of our place in the cosmos. It's a reminder that we are small but also a part of something incredibly vast and beautiful. It's a question that has been asked by humans for thousands of years, and today, we're going to delve into the depths of space to find some answers. To understand the size of the universe, we first need to comprehend the concept of a light year. Imagine for a moment, you're aboard a spaceship that can travel at the speed of light. That's about 300,000 kilometers per second. In just a blink of an eye, you would have already circled the Earth over 7 times. Now, if you were to maintain this speed, not for a mere second, but for an entire year, the distance you would cover is what we call a light year. It's a measurement that boggles the mind, isn't it? But let's break it down a little. A light year is not a measure of time, as its name might imply, but rather a measure of distance. It's the distance that light, the fastest known thing in the universe, can travel in a year. Light moves at an incredibly swift pace, faster than anything we can currently comprehend or achieve. In fact, it's so fast that it can circle our planet more than 7 times in just 1 second. Think about that for a moment. 7 times around Earth in 1 second, that's the speed of light. Now consider that light maintains this speed not just for a second, or a minute, or an hour, but for an entire year. That's approximately 9.5 trillion kilometers. To give you some perspective, if you were to travel from Earth to the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, which is about 4.2 light-years away, even at the speed of light, it would still take you over 4 years to get there. A light year, then, is an astronomical unit of measure that allows us to comprehend the vast distances of space. It's a scale that's almost beyond our human comprehension, but it's one of the essential tools we have to grasp the enormity of the universe. With the speed of light being approximately 300,000 kilometers per second, imagine just how far it can travel in a whole year. Now that we understand the concept of a light year, we can begin to grasp the enormity of our universe. So, how big is the universe in terms of light years? Well, to give you a sense of the scale we're dealing with, let's start with our own cosmic neighborhood. The Milky Way galaxy, our home, is about 100,000 light-years in diameter. That means that even at the speed of light, it would take 100,000 years to travel from one side of our galaxy to the other. But that's just our home galaxy. The universe is teeming with galaxies. And these galaxies aren't huddled close together. No, they're separated by vast expanses of space. Our nearest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, is a whopping 2.5 million light-years away. To put it in perspective, if the Milky Way were the size of a dinner plate, Andromeda would be another dinner plate about 5 miles away. And remember, this is just our local group of galaxies. There are clusters of galaxies, superclusters, and even larger structures known as cosmic webs. These structures are spread across the entire observable universe, which is estimated to be about 93 billion light-years in diameter. Yes, you heard that right, 93 billion light-years. That's the estimated size of the universe that we can observe from our vantage point here on Earth, using our most powerful telescopes. Think about that for a moment. The light we see from the most distant galaxies left those galaxies billions of years ago. We're not just looking across space when we look at these galaxies, we're looking back in time. And bear in mind, this is just the observable universe. There may be much more universe beyond what we can see. Our universe could be infinitely large, or it might be just one of an infinite number of universes, a multiverse. To put it in perspective, our universe stretches an estimated 93 billion light-years in diameter. That's a distance almost too vast to comprehend. The sheer size of our universe is mind-boggling, but there are some key points to remember. Let's start with the one that often astounds us the most: the sheer vastness of the cosmos. Our universe is so vast that it's difficult to comprehend in our everyday human terms. To give you an idea, just our Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light-years in diameter. And remember, 1 light-year is the distance that light, traveling at a staggering speed of about 186,000 miles per second, can cover in a year. Now, multiply that by 100,000, and you're only talking about our galaxy. There are billions of such galaxies in the universe. Next, let's dive a little deeper into the concept of light years. It's a measure of distance, not time, as some might think. When we look at a star that's 100 light years away, we're actually seeing it as it was 100 years ago. That's because the light from that star took 100 years to reach us. So, in a way, when we look at the cosmos, we're also looking back in time. Now, this brings us to the concept of the observable universe. You see, the universe is about 13.8 billion years old. So we can only observe as far as light has traveled in that time, which is about 93 billion light years across. But that's just the observable universe. There's more universe out there that we can't see, simply because light from those regions hasn't reached us yet. In conclusion, the universe's size is unimaginably vast. Light years are a measure of distance that also provide a glimpse into the past, and the observable universe is just a fraction of the total universe. The universe's size is a testament to the grandeur and mystery of the cosmos, a vast expanse that continues to captivate and baffle us. Our journey through the cosmos today has given us a glimpse into the vastness of the universe. As we've traveled through this video, we've journeyed through light years and across galaxies, taking in the awe-inspiring expanse of the universe. We've realized that our own Milky Way is but a speck in the cosmic ocean, and Earth, our home, a mere grain of sand on its cosmic shore. We've grappled with the concept of light years, understanding it as the distance light travels in a year, a measure so large that we use it to express the vast distances between celestial bodies. To put it in perspective, the light from our closest star, Proxima Centauri, takes over 4 years to reach us. We've also explored the size of the universe, estimated to be 93 billion light-years in diameter. This unfathomable number speaks volumes about the enormity of the cosmos. Just think about it. It means that the light from some of the stars we see in the night sky started its journey billions of years ago, long before the dawn of human civilization. In the grand scheme of things, our planet, our solar system, even our galaxy, seem infinitesimal, almost insignificant. But, in the words of renowned astronomer Carl Sagan, we are a way for the cosmos to know itself. Our ability to comprehend the universe, to question, explore, and discover, gives us a unique and significant place within this vast cosmic arena. So, as we conclude our cosmic journey today, let's not forget the key points we've learned about the universe's size. But more importantly, let's continue to foster our curiosity and our thirst for knowledge. Let's keep exploring, keep questioning, keep discovering, because every question we ask, every answer we find, brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. So next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember the enormity of the universe and our tiny yet significant place within it.